Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Elated. Friends, as usual, today also in this video I gonna unbox and review a product. So guys, I got this package from the Flipkart. So let me unbox this. Yeah guys, the packaging is well done. If I unbox my package, here is the product. It's from Pigeon flat Tawa. So guys, inside also you can see the another packaging. So here all the description has been given. It is made in India, and here the MRP it is given as 995 rupees, but I got this product for only 599 rupees on Flipkart. So yeah guys, let me unbox this package too. And here is my tawa. So guys, it is of 28 centimeter and this is non-stick and this is dishwasher safe. It has 4 mm thick body and triple layer with scratch resistant, so that what we all need, right? So it should be a scratch resistant. As you can see, it is wide enough too. So I'll get with a different diameter. This is of 28 centimeter. And here all the instruction has been given and there is a warranty of 1 year. And yeah guys, I'm fully satisfied with this product and I feel yeah it's worth to buy. In the package it is mentioned as it is free from peel off and it requires a minimum oil, etc. And even you'll get with the different colors. If you wish to buy this product, the product link will be on my description. Thank you.